Welcome back to Always Be Learning. Today we're cooking a steak using the reverse sear method on the Masterbuilt Gravity 800 smoker. If you've never tried this technique before, stick around. It might just change the way you cook your steaks from now on. First things first, generously salt your steak, then let it rest for at least 45 minutes. This gives the salt time to penetrate the meat, enhancing the flavor from the inside out. Quick tip, reverse sear works best on thick cuts. For thinner steaks, this method isn't ideal because they'll likely overcook during the sear. I'm using the Masterbuilt Gravity 800 smoker, a digital smoker that runs on charcoal, and you can even add wood chunks for that extra smoky flavor. Here's how I set it up. Light the smoker and give it about 5 minutes for the charcoal to catch. Open the airflow to the smoking chamber. Set the control panel to 225 degrees Fahrenheit. This smoker is a beast. It delivers real wood smoke flavor that can reach up to 700 degrees for searing. But don't worry if you don't have this exact smoker. You can even use your oven for that slow cook and still get excellent results. So why reverse sear? Instead of searing first and finishing it in the oven or barbecue, we slow cook the steak first, bringing it gently to an internal temperature of 125 degrees Fahrenheit. And then we finish with a quick, high heat sear. The benefits? Even cooking. The steak reaches your target internal temperature edge to edge with no gray bands. Better control. You reduce the risk of overcooking. An epic crust. Slowly cooking dries the steak surface slightly, which helps create an incredible crust during the sear. Here's the kicker. You don't need to rest the steak afterwards because it hasn't been blasted with heat the whole time. That means you can slice and enjoy while it's piping hot, exactly how a steak should be eaten. After about 40 minutes at 225 degrees Fahrenheit, the steak comes off the smoker. Now crank up the heat. I set my smoker to 500 degrees Fahrenheit for the sear. While it can hit 700 degrees, I find that's too hot and it risks burning the crust. Once the smoker and the grates are ripping hot, give it about 5 minutes to preheat. Throw on the steak. Sear for about 1 to 2 minutes per side, just enough to get that perfect crust without overcooking the inside. And there you have it, a tender, juicy steak with an incredible crust, and no waiting around for it to rest. I had to wait a little bit because I was filming this video, but normally you can slice right in. If you enjoyed this video, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Have you tried the reverse sear before? Let us know in the comments. See you next time.